Hi there, it's George here. Did you remember when I grow bamboo from seed and repotted in a huge pot, don't you? So here I am to show you an update on this bamboo and as well the golden bamboo which I bought not very long time ago. And I noticed growing a lot of new shoots, and as I did promised, I have to make some videos update, and see the beautiful shoots, and they will grow awesome. They grow in more thick, and let me show you first of all this moss bamboo, awesome growing indoor. And remember when I planted in this huge pot, and it likes. Let's see update. Well, here we go, and these new shoots are awesome. Look at those lovely shoots. Quite many shoots, at least 17 shoots, and the most big is this one. Let me show you close up. Awesome looking, and it is quite thick and started to grow very fast, the moss bamboo. And look at the leaves. So we will see how tall it will grow. A lot of new shoots here started to grow. Actually, I wasn't home for 5 days, and when I did come back, I noticed this surprise. Very happy I was. And here also shoots that growing smallest, but I don't know. I wait to grow and we'll see. Maybe they will be like this one or this. This is tallest shoot, and growing more fast, this one. So it likes this huge pot which I reported, and I will let the link in description if you want to see the video. And happy that started to wake up and growing, but I think will grow shoots in summertime in June, even more thick, and we'll see. But I enjoy that it likes the new soil which I reported and August reported, and now growing nice. And I think this shoot I will cut in springtime because I don't like it. It was grow in autumn, but in autumn was cold and didn't grow at all, you know. And many shoots like this growing not very tall, and like this one, for example. Well, let me show you the bamboo, how it looks like. In such a way, it is beautiful, and these are the shoots from summer, and I hope these new shoots will grow even more tall than these ones, but we will see. I also recently make a short video of this bamboo which reported, and I used soil from the forest, and already new shoots coming out. As you can see, 3 new shoots. This so tall already and fast did grow, awesome, and another 2 was surprise from this as well. The mosso is the mosso as well. Looking good. Looking forward to see these shoots, how tall they will grow. They are very many. Maybe they should grow much more many, but for me it is okay. A lot growing here, and maybe in June they will start to grow right here, or maybe in the edge. And for example, this shoot started to grow back. It was stopped to grow in autumn, and from there I started to wake up. That's it. Really like to grow bamboo, special video. Well, here is my another bamboo, which is Phyllostasis Oreo, which I bought almost 2 months ago, and I've decided to keep this winter inside, but in springtime I will be planting outside, and I noticed many leaves did fall, but it's okay for this variety of bamboo. And as well I noticed new shoots growing, but also growing new leaves as well. Here are not very much light. Anyway, it's doing okay, but in springtime I will be planting in the garden. And on this side you can notice much more leaves because light is here, and that's it. And the new leaves we can notice here. But let me show you the variety name and the new shoots here growing. And as well my cat sleeping here next to my bamboo, and here is the new shoot. Awesome. There are about 4 or 5 shoots, and anyway, let them grow. I see one here, but I cannot focus on that shoot or close up or stuff like that. There are many shoots, and they are doing good. And I water at the time, the floor is warm, and I must be not let the soil dry, and the bamboo will grow nicely here. And another new shoot growing here, as I can notice, it is brilliant. As well here another one, that is good. And I'm not sure these shoots will completely die or they will grow. I noticed some new grow here anyways. They're looking okay anyway. Thanks for watching this video to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. George was here, happy growing, and see you next time. And I will show you the bamboo, how it will look like in springtime. Bye bye.